One day, a boy was playing in a garden. He was running after butterflies and trying to catch them. He was very happy to see the colorful flowers. Then he saw a frog skipping and jumping. As he ran behind the frog, it jumped into the pond. And then he saw how the cow was chewing grass. A fly then came there and buzzed over the cow. The boy happily clapped and laughed. The boy was enjoying the beauty of nature. He said, "Nature is wonderful. Its beauty attracts everyone." When he saw a squirrel, he ran after it and reached near the bed of roses. He tried to pluck some of the roses, but a thorn pierced his finger. It was very painful. The boy started crying and ran to his house. His mother asked him, "What is the matter? Why are you crying?" The boy said, "The thorn of the rose pierced my finger while I was plucking it. Now I feel severe pain." His mother said, "It is your mistake. You should not have tried to pluck the flower. The flowers are meant to be seen, not to be plucked. We should always help to maintain the nature." The son said, "Okay, Mama." So children, what we learned today? We learned that we should protect all living beings, whether animals or plants. We should never harm them.